Hello and welcome to signNow, the best e-signature solution out there. Watch this video to stay current with all the ways electronic signatures can benefit your business and streamline your day-to-day processes.
When there's two or more parties involved in a signing process, signNow allows you to easily set a signing order and collect signatures in the order that you specified. To do so, select each recipient and then simply add all the fields needed, like signature, text, and date. Next, you can change the name of the group. Then, just slide up or down to set the order. Click Customize Message to update the invite email message. And then if you prefer, click Apply this invite email to all recipients. When you're ready, click Send Invite. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses. Let's see what else you can do with signNow. signNow provides its users with a seamless e-signature experience anytime, anywhere, on any device. signNow's intuitive interface allows first-time users to create an account, upload documents, and send their first document for signing in minutes. No long training or downloads required. Break free from pricing plans with hidden costs for overages or renewals. With signNow, you only pay for what you use without overcharges for extra sends or templates. Close deals faster, improve your team collaboration, and get complete visibility into the document signing process using advanced functionality that is tailored to your needs. signNow is committed to protecting your sensitive information by complying with global, industry-specific security standards. On top of that, signNow easily integrates with the apps and CRM that you already use, close deals, and accelerate projects without leaving your software, and supercharge your experience with the Business Cloud, an end-to-end solution that not only incorporates e-signature, but PDF editing and document workflow automation.
Of course, we've barely scratched the surface of what signNow is capable of. So you want to try it yourself? Start your free trial right now. And no worries, you can cancel at any time. Got questions? Ask us in the comments.